So if it continues to be good, and that's how much battery I have left there.
Oh yeah, so you gotta wait, go up to 400 feet, and then that's it.
Yeah, but the green tells me how much like extra time I have.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna hold in on this subject because it's a really good subject. That baby. All right. All right, Dead Random is back. We are on the Mississippi. This is Memphis, Tennessee. And we're gonna try to fly the flip over there and not freaking lose it in the river. So let's get flying. All right. It's been how many days now? It's been 8 days, and I'm losing my mojo really bad. I'm starting to act my age. There we go. There we go. All right, the drone's gonna wake me up. There we go. I'm waiting for it to just said home point updated. All right, let's get it in high gear and let's get out of here. There we go. All right, we'll buzz the boat. Oh yeah. I'll find out in a little bit here. I'm going backwards. I'm just getting a shot of the boat right now. And there's a lot of birds out there. So if one of those barn swallows decides to make it its friend. But so far good. I don't have, I'm not getting any interference like I was getting the other day. And that's good. Yeah, if you want to come see what I'm looking at, you're welcome to come down. But you will be recorded. That's okay, that's good. Just so, yeah, I'm there you go. So that's what we're looking at. Isn't that cool as shit?
Yeah.
That's cool as shit, isn't it? And I'm waiting for it to, you see where it says RC on the top there?
Yeah.
I got it, it's good, so I'm in good shape there. I'm trying to keep I want to get the city. Today I don't care about the boat. Anything that's going on the river, and I have to stay below 400 feet. That's my rules. This is a good area. I already checked the area to see, because you have to check to see if there's any air traffic.
Where is it?
It's way the hell out there right now. I am working my way towards the bridge.
What?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm at 24 miles an hour. And you can see there's that. Use the pyramid as your kind of point of reference.
Yeah.
But I'm looking to see if any of the boat is affecting the signal. It's not. So this is as good as it's been. So if it continues to be good, and that's how much battery I have left there.
Oh yeah. So you gotta wait, go up to 400 feet, and that's it.
Yeah. But I have a lot of altitude. I probably won't use it because I don't need it. But if I need to, if I start getting like signal blocking and stuff like that, I'll go up a little higher. But it's not. It's been really good. That's how far I am right there away. So, and it's not windy today, so it's a really great day to fly. It's like perfect. You can't get much. Sun's going down. But I'm really gonna watch the battery consumption because I didn't start with a full battery. And it's 77%, so I'll probably head back at like 60%. Yeah. But I'm seeing if I can get to the all the way to the freaking bridge. So I'm gonna try to hustle forward here.
That's badass.
Isn't that cool? And this
I want one.
yeah, these are fun. But I'm gonna see if I can get there. I'm going, oh there, you see I got an RC breakup that just happened? That's not good. That's probably because of the boat. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna work my way in towards the Bass Pro Shop there and see if I can pick it up again on this side of the bridge.
Well,
yeah, that's,
send it back home.
Well, it's gonna right now. It just decided, it just said, hey, your signal sucks.
So it's coming back.
Yeah, it's telling me that you can't do that. That's not, and it'll keep coming back until it reconnects. So,
Yeah.
so I was good out there, but the boat is messing me. There we go. Now we're back. So I'm gonna try to go forward, and then get some altitude. That could help too. Probably get some altitude. Let's see if I can get some altitude and see if I can. There we go. Oh. Nope, I'm too high. I gotta get down. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can get closer to Bass Pro Shop. Yeah, this is. I pushed it too far, so I'm not gonna be able to fly the mission I wanted to fly. It's probably because of the. I'm gonna try to move real quick, see if I can get over here. See if it improves. Oh, that helped. Here we go. Let's get up here by the line. All right, there you go, camera. Yeah, so I'm pushing it, and like I said, it just keeps losing signal. Yeah, now it's not connected again. So it's there. It's on its way. You heard that beep? That's saying you can't do that. Return to home. Which is fine. That's what it's supposed to do. Now you see that line right there?
Yeah.
That's telling me the path it's taking home, and it's showing me the exact route that it's taking. So if there's anything in the airspace, I can tell, like a helicopter or somebody.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that crazy? And I'll do that until I get the signal back, which just happened, and it's good, and I can cut that off. But we're getting down in the 60s, so you got to be. Right now, you just got to go. You know what? There we go.
Right.
Yeah, you just gotta cut your losses.
You got some more pretty pricey ones in there.
Yeah, it's just a fun one to do, but it's
Yeah.
it'll give me good footage. I mean, it's not. Here, so I'm gonna cut that because I'm in really good shape now. So now that's what it's gonna give me. It's gonna let me fly like this, which is fine. See, there's my signal. I'm back there.
Yeah.
So, but I've got 58%. But the green tells me how much like extra time I have.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna hold in on this subject because it's a really good subject, and that's kind of what I wanted to fly for. I just wanted to get the town of Memphis, and I wanted to get the bridge. That was my two goals. And I'm watching that green, and that green is telling me, you know, that's all you got for flying today. Don't be freaking doing anything stupid other than that. So right there. And then we're gonna get those trees are gonna be my next problem. So trees have water in them, and water is bad. Yeah, water is bad for drones, but anyway, that's kind of the last of the exciting. But yeah, it's a fun drone to fly. It's a light one. You don't have to have all kinds of training or anything to fly it.
Right.
I'll just get that. But I'm in good shape as far as distance is concerned. So anyway, that's pretty much
You
it.
can't even see it. It's just out there doing its thing.
It's out there in the freaking. And then I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna take some pictures. Put it in photo mode. Now I just want some photographs. I just want to take some pictures of Memphis. Take some pictures of the dam. Or the dam. I call it a dam. I'm getting retarded in my nature. With the bridge. Anything else? I think I can zoom this one in a little bit. Yeah. There you go. I got a little bit of zoom power there. So I'll try to take a picture here. Come on here. There we go. So there's the Bass Pro Shop there thing. But you can see I'm down to 50.
So you're gonna send it back?
Yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna probably just start flying back. But anyway, now it's basically just coming home. Maybe I'll go along the town here a little bit. So what? So did you just start today, or you just get time?
I started today.
Okay.
I did my training and everything. I just got my first placement, but I think I'm gonna be on this boat for good. I'm just finishing. I go back on the 28th. I go back home. The 11th through the 20th. I guess I'm finishing the hitch off. And then when I go home and come back, I'll start my 6 and 2.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been talking to a lot of people that are working on the river.
Yeah.
That's nice, man. This time of year is nice. You know, it's gonna get hot.
Oh yeah.
Boy, that's a pretty park, isn't it? Yeah.
Right
you
there.
should be able to. Yeah, I see there airplanes, but I should be coming over that. Let me get in. Ooh, here we go. He just snuck in here. There we go. Give it a wave. How you doing? I'll put you on there. I got a few friends that'll be happy to see you. Alright, man. I was trying to get certain shots of the bridge. I was trying to get the city of Memphis. If I wanted to get like buildings in Memphis, I could fly from here and fly. Yeah. I would actually just go in the city though, instead. But like this is not made. See that? It's not made. It's not made for that. Run into that little freaking sign. The other thing I like about this one is it's safe around people. So if you just put your hand out like that, it goes, "Hey, dude, come on here. Come on, you see my hand?" It's not paying attention. There we go. Let's get it closer. There we go. And it sets in your hand like that. Here, you hold it. Yeah, it's really light. Yeah. Isn't that crazy? That's 8 years. I've been flying these drones for 8 years, and this is what's happened. It started out where I was freaking crashing and running into trees, and my drone would fly. No, I would spend $100 on a drone, and it would freaking fly away, and I'd never see it again.
Right.
But,
that's dope.
and that was probably, I don't know, 15 minutes. Yeah. You know, that little tiny battery. All right, Dad Random, I am out of here. Take it easy. DJI FLIP over Memphis, and the Memphis, I don't know what that bridge is. Just go onto Ken Herron's channel and he'll probably tell you what bridge that is. The Memphis Bridge, I don't know. All right, later, bye, Dad Random.